Welcome to today's episode of Tech Reviews. Today, we're talking about the best tablets for productivity. With remote work becoming more prevalent, having a reliable tablet that can handle your daily tasks is crucial. So, without further ado, let's dive into our list of the top 5 best tablets for productivity. If you want to buy these products, check the description below. I will include the product link. You must subscribe to the channel before watching the video. If you want to watch such videos, please like, share, and comment. Number 1 on our list is the Microsoft Surface Go 3. This tablet boasts a 10 inches display with a sharp resolution, making it easy to work on documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. It also has a fast and efficient Intel Pentium Gold processor, 4GB RAM, and 128GB storage, ensuring that you can multitask without any lag. Number 2 is the Lenovo Tab M10 Plus. This tablet is perfect for those who need a larger screen, as it comes with a 10.3 inches Full HD display. It's powered by a Snapdragon 450 processor and has up to 4GB RAM, so you can expect a smooth performance. Plus, with its dual speakers and Dolby Atmos technology, you can enjoy a great multimedia experience while you work. Moving on to number 3, we have the Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. This tablet is great for those who are looking for an affordable option that can still handle productivity tasks. It comes with a 10 inches Full HD display, a 2 GHz quad-core processor, and up to 3GB RAM. Plus, with Amazon's Alexa voice assistant built in, you can easily control your smart home devices while you work. At number 4, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8. This tablet has a compact 8 inches display, making it easy to take with you on the go. It's powered by an Exynos 7904A processor and has 2GB RAM, so you can expect smooth performance. Plus, with its long battery life and the ability to connect to a keyboard, this tablet is perfect for those who need to work for extended periods of time. Finally, at number 5, we have the Fusion 5 10 inches Windows 11 Pro. This tablet is perfect for those who need a full desktop experience while they're on the go. It runs on the latest Windows 11 Pro operating system and has a powerful Intel Cherry Trail processor, 4GB RAM, and 64GB storage. Plus, with its detachable keyboard and active stylus, you can easily switch between laptop and tablet mode, making it perfect for both work and play. So there you have it, the top 5 best tablets for productivity. Whether you're looking for a tablet that can handle your daily tasks, a larger screen for multimedia, an affordable option, a compact tablet for on the go, or a full desktop experience, there's a tablet on this list that will suit your needs. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other episodes for more tech reviews and insights. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay tech savvy.